Hey man, we're making a new route and you can't stop us. Get out of our way. I wonder if we can survive right here. Let's try it. Being on that side too? No. Well, I don't know. We're protected. Alright then. Things are exploding and we're gonna explore. Ha! You can't get us. You can't get us. Ha ha. Yeah, we are untouchable, mate. How are you doing? That's great. That just flew over our heads. And I got exploded. I guess we're surviving with this prize bubble, man. That's cool. That's cool. We surviving with 2 prize bubbles? Oh, yeah. Prize bubble century, here we come. Yeah. Hey, we're surviving over there, man. Why would you do that? Fine, we'll go your way. Never mind, we're going this way. We're not gonna survive down here. We're gonna die. See? Forget you! Forget you too! Get over here! Those making noises! What did I do? The wrong thing. Sorry. Jeez, Knuckles. Die, fool. Die, fool. Die, fool. Stupid fool! Freaking fool, die! And we don't literally mean him to die. We just mean, like, disintegrate or whatever. So you should have just said disintegrate. I'm sorry. Hi, how are you, man? Piece of ice? That's cool. Oh, get away from me, man. You can't explode this, so hi. Speed bump, ew. Let's make a new route. A new route of fun. Get the marionette. Even though we don't have the marionette, this is the original marionette, but we just put hair on him. That's fun and all. This is the real marionette's face. For all eternity. You can't stop this face. I'm going to Dromino over there, man. Let's go. Drominos! Uh-oh. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. No! You suck. You suck. You suck. You suck. You suck. Fine. This penguin's the best penguin ever. Never mind. It's not, mate. Just get it done. Would you believe that they exploded? shitting. Oh, dude, since we're in the snow, we might as well be in our snow attire. We used to wear this when we come here all the time, man. Didn't we? I don't remember. Dude, it's about it. Great protection. Until we die! Dope, dopes, all the dopes, dopes. Yes! Give me! Mine! What are you doing, Tails? I'm holding on. Hold on, watch this. You can't when I'm about to die! You win great! Forget you, penguins! Tails, will you knock it off? Away! You fool, man. You guys make us sick. Time to die. Get out of here. Disintegrate! Die! Yes! How the heck did you do that? How did you do that? I don't know how they did that to us. I believe it this way. That's what moron! What the heck? Why and how? Excuse me! He just shot an air shot at you, man. It was invisible! How the heck? Dang it! You penguins suck! Quit. Enough with your high highs and your freaking why are you here and stuff. Man, shut up. Die. Ow! Dang it! I'm gonna get you one of these days, you penguins. Boy! One last time we're gonna do something else. Going this way, with you penguin, like it or not, we are staying put. Again, how does that happen? No, we can't grab them. Well, one thing for sure that we don't want to grab them. Yeah, they explode in like 2 seconds. Stupid. I guess this is our spot right here now, man. If that guy will behave. He's not doing a good behaving job, Sonic. He'll get there eventually. See? He's fine. Alright, hey, how you doing? Sonic, you just kicked down the ice. And he's about to explode that ice. down the snow. It is cold and warm. What is with this freaking material? It can't hold on for like 5 seconds. What took you so long? Now they're gonna keep doing that because they're looking at its tails. Well, excuse me. I'm just trying to do things. No! You stupid. Why are you farting at bombs when you just explode the ice? Stupid. Do it right. Or we're not calling you friggin'. We're not gonna call you Pingu. Get out of here. He's hardly exploding the ice, Sonic. Not my problem. Dude, you know what? The moment we leave, he's just gonna do it. Never mind. It's one way to get down. Here's another. Physics work. This is real physics. It's not holding on to anything. We are okay. So, ha! You penguins can't do nothing to us. Ha! Unless we go down there. You want your tails? Not yet. Thanks, Tails. You're welcome, Sonic. You're so random. You bet I am! Yes! I'm the best randomness you ever got, Sonic. Okay, we're going. We can't go, there's debris in the way! You stupids! Oh, good, 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 good. It's the last thing we need. More debris. Hey! No! STP! STP! Not right here, moron! No! What are you doing? Exactly. STP! Not debris! Morons! Ow! I was about to jump! How dare you! Give me that gun! I'll take it from you! You're doing something else, Tails. Fine. We're going this way. Nobody can stop us. Okay. Who the heck pushed the button? I don't think anyone pushed the button, Tails. The music started playing for some reason. Somebody pushed the button. It was not me. Lady, calm down. You'll be okay. Wait, do these bombs... Are these bombs or just boxes? I don't remember. I don't want to find out. That's not how you live. Ow, my tuchus. Ow. You almost burned my friggin' snow outfit. Got it. Got it. People, before anything, I need to change. Oh, shut up, you'll be okay. Sure, guys, calm down. Calm down. Why do we have this again? Because you made it. Foxy will know what to do. People, calm down. Raise me up. We're all gonna be okay. We're all gonna be okay. Why are you pushing me this way? Try to walk, doggone it. I guess nothing will happen until, like, that button gets pushed, right, Tails? Ah, fully. Foxy does not approve. You see this face of Foxy? Do you see? Hey! Doggone it, stupid. If this thing wasn't being hit by friggin' sharks right now, I will show you personally the face of Foxy. See, look. Maybe you need to be in a different spot, Tails. I'm trying. See, look. Does Foxy look like he care right now? Does he look like he care? No! But he is Foxy. I don't know which one of you friggin' push that button. We're going up here. Ow! Oh, wait. You know, if this... No! There was a survival mast. We can survive in the mast. Got it. Stop that! Sharkies, calm down. You'll be okay. I just want to test something, people. And it can't be like that when I don't get in the mess. Got it. Thank you, that's all I wanted to do. Yes. Now if only there was a bomb explosion, Tails. Oh man, fine. Want bombs? Here's bombs. Ow. Already 20 minutes long, man. We've done nothing. Blame Tails. Trying, Sonic. No! Fully! Those bombs are gonna explode this whole friggin' place. Sharkies! Move! Yo, fins! No. Oh, Sharky, don't play me. Here we go. We gotta go, go. Go, Tails, go. Go. I'm running. Out of my way. Stupid table, stupid chairs. Whatever you are, move. These sharks. Uh-oh. These sharks are almost trying to sink us like the Titanic. Don't do that. Poor Foxy. Look at him. Half charcoal and he's done nothing wrong. He looks amazing. I don't know what you're talking. Ow! That was not proper survival. One more time. I'm just trying to survive in the mess this time, Tails. I'll do my best. I can't win this is stupid. No, I'm gonna die by a shark. No. You win, grades. What's the point now, Sonic? I'm in a bed. I'm gonna die in a bed if you keep this up. See? Alright, we're done. Tomfoolery. Ow! This is Sonic, this is Knuckles, this is Tails. Goodbye.